Hey everyone, and welcome to Patty Pucka Pouring Art. Well, today is going to be my 200th video since I've started. My channel's been going since July of 2019, and today marks number 200. So thanks for joining me. Just a little history. Like back in July of 2019, I did my first Dutch pour. And I did my first straight pour in August of 2019. My first swipe in June of 2019. My first pearl pour was October of 2019. And the Shelley Art Technique Bloom was November of 2019. And my first landscape was December of 2019. So if you want to check out all my firsts, go back. And it'll be probably the first 50 videos, and you'll see all those firsts, but we've really come a long way since then with so much more techniques. And I'm going to do one very new technique today. So last video you saw me do the marble ghost pour, and this is it. It's dry now. Dried really good. I still need to varnish it. But I liked how it turned out. So today I'm going to be doing the same type of pearl, the marble roll ghost pour, but I'm going to be using different colors for background. So I have, this is a 9x12 taped on the back, nice and level. The colors I'm using today are, this is a really pretty blue. For the noise. And it does leave a mound. I don't know if you can see that. It leaves a mound. Then I'm also, as a background, going to be using like a blue-black that I made. And that also is the same consistency. The blue is manganese blue hue with golden, and phthalo blue with creative inspirations. And then I added some Payne's Gray from Media to make the blue, and then I just added some black to the darker one to make it a blue-black. I'm going to be using the same gold I used on the other pour, and this is Amsterdam Deep Gold. So I put it in this little container. Everything is mixed with just Floetrol except for the colors. That does have a squirt of GAC 800 in them. And my ghost is a satin Deco Art satin enamels mixed with Floetrol, and it leaves a mound for sure. It's pretty thick. It doesn't fall off the stick very easily. It's just very thick. Then what I did is I thought I'd put a few of this. I just added some black to that, to the white, and make it a gray ghost color. You'll see what happens with that. So it's just all about experimenting. So let's get going. Oh, and my black that I mixed in here with the blue is the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black, which you can't get anymore. But I'm sure the soft body would work just fine. Okay, let's get going. So I'm just going to, hope this isn't too thick. Just going to pour mostly, I'm going to pour here, and then I'm going to put some over here of the darker. Okay, I want to spread this out because it does have to roll. It has to roll off. In this technique, you want to make sure you get all the bubbles out. Okay, now the marbles, just regular marbles, just regular size marbles. You can use larger ones. I'm not sure about smaller ones, but I know these will work. So I'm just going to take one of them. I don't need any more than that. Okay, so let's start putting this down. Just going to swipe it, put some dots. I don't want to put a whole lot. I don't want to get the white on the dark. Some dots. See what this gray does. Okay, and get the gold going. Just random. Okay. Okay, now I'm not going to torch that. I already see that the gray is letting the blue colors through. And if I torch it, it's just going to happen with the white too, so it's sort of weird. Okay, well, the white worked and the gray has little dots, which, you know, I'm not mad, but, you know, it's weird that that happened. It didn't happen with the white. So I'm going to go ahead and fix the sides, and then I'll bring you for a close-up. You probably can't see the dark dots coming through, but it does work with other background colors. Okay, I got it tilted all off. Before I did the marble roll and then I tilted off, this time I tilted off, covered everything, and now I'm going to do the marble roll and see how that turns out. If it doesn't turn out, that's fine. You know you can do it without the marble. So let's check it out. It's taking some of that light blue and going over the dark blue. Sorry if you can see this. So either way, this is going to work whether you do the marble or not. One more time through here, and then that's it. So yeah, I think I like the marble roll done before I tilt it. I don't know. Tell me which one you like the best, after or before. Here's a picture before. After, before. Yeah, I think I like to do the marble roll before I tilt it. This is different, but I think I like it before I did the marble roll. So, thanks so much for watching. I'm going to get a close-up right now. Okay, here's a close-up. Yeah, it's just really strange where that gray was added to the satin, how the black dots came through on that, but not the white. I think this is very cool, but I think I like doing the marble roll before I tilt it. Experimenting is always fun. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my other 199 videos. Appreciate you. Aloha. Bye.